It's amazing though that you know this. I'll be on the other end. I think here. Okay, cool. Everybody, so yun. So this is like the metro station going to the airport. So from New Delhi, this is literally just like down the building. So I'm heading to New Delhi International Airport. So yeah, if you're watching this video, most probably if you're watching this video, if you can see this video, yes, it is true. It's gonna be like my last day here in India, and I hope that I don't know. Let's talk in the airport. Just now, let me just show you like on how to go from Delhi to the airport. So that's it. Let's do it. In what? So I hope this is the one that's going to. I hope this is right, honestly. Terminal T3, yeah? Okay, cool, amazing. Why aren't they running? What's wrong with them? Wait. Okay. This is this is my journey going to the airport, and I'll show you like a bit of Delhi airport as well. So ayun, let's go. I don't know what the heck is happening, but hala, ano ba? Yeah, I know. Let's see. No, there's like a lot of, yeah, what are we doing there? There's literally like a lot of, hello. We can literally like, you can put the bag here. And let's have a sit. Oh shit. Got my water, phone, 2 phones. Phone. That should be there.
थोड़ी सी ना हिंदी में सीख लो learn some Hindi.
Yeah, but don't touch the screen. Yeah, but don't touch the screen.
ठीक है
Diba? Tinulungan ka na maldita ka
recording
pa.
is on?
Yeah, it's recording. Everybody, so I'm showing you like my quick journey before I head to New Delhi airport. And if you're watching this, most probably yes, like I mentioned earlier, it's gonna be like my last day here in India as well. So we're departing from New Delhi, going to somewhere. So yeah, that's gonna be rebuilt soon. But yeah, yun lang. And I'll show you. Snap ko na ba to? But yeah, I'll show you New Delhi airport as well. So I hope na you were able to enjoy all my contents here in India. I hope that I was able to share my experience to all of you guys, and comment down below if what do you think about it. And yun lang for now, and I'll see you in the airport. So, and by the way, just for those who wants to know, this is like gonna be a 40-minute journey, and it only costs 60 rupee. If you ride taxi, it's gonna cost you less than 1,000. Sometimes it could be more than that. So, at the end of the day, piliin mo yung mga taong ihahatid ka sa airport. You know what I said? You know what I said? At the end of the day, you have to choose those person, or you have to choose the person who's gonna like be with you until the end, like until the airport. Tell me about your promise. What do you promise? You promise what?
I promise you I will come with you. I will promise you I will travel with you in some few years.
Yeah.
Okay, that's okay.
Yeah.
Okay, come.
Everybody, so just arrived in the airport. Boy, it's less than parang 20 minutes lang. It really didn't take long to be here. So, bet mo ba ako? Do you like me?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't
Okay, tell them, why do you like me?
You are gorgeous,
Gorgeous.
good looking.
Good looking. Ano pa?
Both are famous.
Huh?
And I will tell it in Hindi.
Okay.
Not in English.
Okay.
They will translate. भाई घड़ी चौकी लोनी यार यहाँ के जैसी मॉडल देखी मैंने आज तक यहाँ मारी जो है ना यहाँ पसंद करूँ मैं अभी जान लग रही बस इनफ
Okay. Narinig niyo yan, Good looking, gorgeous. Huwag kayong umaarte kay Toretto. Ba talaga yung gandang kay Toretto, no? Ngayon nyo ako i-bash. Charis lang.
गाँव में रोने दी
So we are actually trying to find our way going to the my terminal and gate. So I think gapo nito, na-appreciate na kita. Ganda, kung maka-RT ako, kala mo ganda ko. Ang importante, hinatid ka sa airport. Diba? Ganun lang naman yun. When the stars are fine.
Why is this on?
If you're gonna ask him why he's wearing shades, I asked him to do it. It was me. It was my decision, okay?
Okay.
Kasi kukulitin nyo na naman ako. Kukulitin nyo na naman ako. Oh, wait. Is this the departure? Yeah. Okay, I think we're here. And I just have to find my gate. So, see you later. And,
Bye-bye.
yeah.
Rom Rom G.
Are you ready to say goodbye?
Say Rom Rom G.
Ramji. Are you ready to say goodbye?
Yeah, goodbye.
No. No. Buti umilag ako, girl.
Trimit.
Muntikan pa ako mahalikan sa publiko. Diyos ko po, mayayari ako. Bye-bye. Thank you for everything.
Goodbye.
See you next.
Year.
Left. I have to get my boarding pass first. So it's the final goodbye and and thank you for everything. Not here. Wait, I'm gonna ask. I need to ask someone. But let's say goodbye first. We go. Oh, sorry. Let's stop there before I go inside. They said here, there, there. Bye-bye. Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
Welcome. So,
See you next time.
welcome.
Tsura ko. Oh. Ito yung mga ito yung mga wag kang lilingon. Wag kang lilingon. Ito yung mga this is like the moment na don't look back. Huwag kang titingin. Huwag mo siyang titignan. Tuloy-tuloy ka lang. Huwag kang lilingon, Kay. Huwag kang lilingon. Kaya mo yan. Ikaw pa ba? Sa dami ng Oops! Sorry. Sa dami ng nakalandian mo, ngayon ka pa ba lilingon? The hardest part of living someone. Huwag kang lilingon. Diba? Huwag kang lilingon, tapos wag tutuloy yung luha mo, tuloy-tuloy ka lang. Huwag kang titingin sa camera para hindi nila mabasa yung nararamdaman mo, ganun. Ang eksena ko, diba? Huwag kang lilingon. Okay na, sige na. That's my departure in India and bye-bye. Hi everybody, so we're done with the immigration and grabe yung security check dito. The security check in New Delhi is something I've never seen before. You literally have to separate all your electronics, literally. Like, I had like 3 bags. I mean, ano bang tawag doon? 3 trays, cables, wires, and everything, and you really have to open it. So, ayun. But yeah, we're inside, and that's gonna be it. I'm just looking for my gate, and then I'm gonna be doing my closing kinamperut here in India, and sunburn yung lobby ko. Yes, I don't know why. Anyways, so may pool banks. I don't know what to say. I'm leaving another country. I'm leaving another amazing people. I'm leaving... Woo! I'm leaving someone. Ay, ang ganda talaga naman. And that's part of traveling. Sometimes you're just gonna meet amazing people. Right place, right time, but wrong era. O diba, ayan yung bago. That's the new one. Right time, right place, but wrong era. Nasa ano tayo? Strong, independent woman era tayo. So, bakit? Ang ganda. Kala mo, hindi pango. Maka-arty talaga ako. Anyways, so yeah. Chika tayo later. I'm almost here. sa gate ko. My flight is at 9 and it's 7:30 kasi ang OA ng immigration ng tagal. Ay, not naman so matagal, like 20 minutes. Pero yung security talagang malala. As in talagang kahit botones hahanapin. Anyways, okay. Uy, alam mo, hangang-hanga talaga ako. I really admire those people who can travel sa airport ng magaganda. Tira mo ako pag nagka-travel, oh. Pack bag, oh. Hatakin mo lang siya, ganyan. Ganyan lang siya. Di ba, oh? Kala mo na mali lang ako sa ano, tawag dito, ano ba yung color red? Robinson. Di ba? Tapos one day, kala mo piniko one day magiging ano ako. Magiging endorser ako ng Robinson. Baka naman Robinson, oh. Madami-dami din ako nabili sa inyo. Nung call center days ko. Every week yan, Robinson. Baka naman. Alam mo naman yung ibalik mo yung kahit 5%. Ay, wag na. Hihiling na rin naman ako. 15% Robinson. Baka naman, please, oh. Dinala ko kayo sa India. Charis. Charis lang. Layo naman ng anak ko. Layo ng gate. 10 minuto na ako naglalakad. Ay, may naririnig akong Dubai talaga naman. Ituloy ko kaya ng Dubai ito, no? Charis. Alam mo kung tayo lang talaga, visa free. Mag-Dubai talaga ako talaga. Oo, kahit mga 1 week lang. Kain lang ako ng shawarma, biryani. Oh, lalandi lang saglit. Ay, charis. Charis lang. Sa mga aura ko sa Dubai, shout out sa inyo. Muhammad, Abdul, charis. Hussein. Diba? Ano ba ba ang pangalan niya? Madami-dami yung mga yan. Diyos ko po. Kayo talaga. Alam mo, chika natin for today's video. Ano ba? Ayun, sana nagustuhan niyo yung vlog ko sa India. Kasi pinaghirapan ko to, eh. Ano to? Tugot pawis yan yung mga content ko. Kala nyo lang masaya ako dyan. Ako. I'm telling you as early as now, India is not for beginners. India is, gonna test your backpacking skill. India is the test of everything. Your patience, your alertness. Lahat, basta, India yung I grew up as a traveler because of India. I know na ang daming up and downs with India. I know na there's a lot of things, there's a lot of like bad things that happen here, but at the end of the day, it's the experience that matters. I think I became stronger after India, to be honest. I was part of that. I can say, that I became a better person as well. Kasi syempre, natas yung patience ko dito, dahil. Oo. Yung, basta, hindi ko na masabi. Wait lang, hanapin ko kung anong hindi ko rin alam. Tayo, ayos ng bag. Hinahanap ko yung hinahanap ko yung microphone ng ng tawag dito. Ng DJI ko. Casio. So, kaya nang nila. Hindi ko na alam. Saan ko na lang nilagay yung gamit ko kanina. Kasi nga, pinabukas lahat ng immigration. Ay, ng security. Stress ako. Biglang tanggal yan. Hala, saan ko nangyayari? Ano ba? Nawala ko pa yung mic. Huwag naman sana. Sana dito lang. Shit, wala na siya dito. Stress naman. Baka nandito lang nalaglag. Boarding time for Japan Airlines flight JL30 to Haneda will be delayed to 8:30 p.m. Boarding is expected to begin at 8:10 p.m. If you have any question, please feel free to contact us if you need it. Bawas stress. Kita ko na. Hoy, paano ba? Hindi ko rin sasabihin, but to everyone who enjoyed, to everyone na kasama kong kiligin sa India vlog ko, para sa mga nairita rin sa akin, sa mga karagdagang bashers at sa karagdagang mga supporters. Thank you very much. I hope na na-enjoy nating lahat tong India vlog ko and more travels to come, more experiences to come, more kilig, more travel loves, and ano pa ba? Sana na-enjoy nyo to kasi pinaghirapan ko tong vlog na to. Ang hirap, one of the hardest country that I've ever traveled to or in, si India siya. But it's also one of the richest culture, one of the countries with the richest culture. There's really like India has a lot of things to offer. Nagwagi tayo sa India na iangat natin ang bandera ng Pilipinas sa India. Kasi napagod ako. But sobrang saya, pero napagod ako. Ang dami kong iyak sa India, ang dami kong inis na nangyari dito, pero okay lang yun. Importante na kapag-travel, importante na survive ko siya. And when I was reflecting this morning, naisip ko parang ano yung biggest question ko to myself after India? Tapos na-figure out ko na parang yung tanong na na parang yung na-highlight sa utak ko is babalik ba ako sa India? After everything na nangyari, yung mga panghihipo, yung mga bus na biglang nagka-cancel, yung mga scam, yung mga away sa reception sa India. The answer is yes. Because parang kahit ang dami-daming naging problem dito, it's still like one of the best country with richest culture. So ayun. But do I recommend it for solo travelers, most especially to women? Kind of 50-50. If you have what it takes, then go. But if you don't, then don't. Anyway, so ayun. Ang haba ng nilalakad ko. Wait lang, hanap ako ng upuan. Ayan. Basta ayun na yan. Tsura ko. Ayun. Basta yun. Comment down below kung ano yung comment down below if what did you feel about my India content, about my India vlog. Let me know kung what should we do on my next visit. We never know what's gonna happen next time, of course. Tumama yung visit. So ayun. Ayun na yan, basta. See you on my next country, everybody. Thank you. I love you all. Please share my channel, hit the notification button on, mag-subscribe kayo. Parang awa nyo na. Ano pa bang mga chika natin? Basta India is one of the most memorable country na I visited. It's the most challenging, most adventurous, daming kalandian na naganap, ang daming mga pasabog na content. I've seen a lot of things in India that I've never seen anywhere in this world. So that is something na I would treasure for the rest of my life and something na may share ko when I grow old. Oh my God, I'm getting older na. But yeah, it's something na parang may share ko sa mga bagets na nag-India ako nung gantong edad ko. Tapos ito yung mga nangyari, ito yung mga kalandian ko, ito yung mga nakita ko sa India, yung mga ganong bagay. So, ayun. Anyways, parang yung gate ko naman, hindi natatapos. Sabi 7 minutes, parang 15 minutes na ako naglalakad. Bayan. Isagway natin ha. New Delhi Airport is massive. It's beautiful as well. They have system and lot of travelers. Ano pa ba? Convenient naman. Maganda siya as in. Maganda tong airport nila. I like it. Parang Dubai nga eh. Yes, ang social. Maganda siya, promise. Ano pa ba? Yun lang. Sige na, pahaba to. Parang ganito na lang yung bed ko sa kasal ko. Naka-escalator ako. Ay, walkalator. Diba? Parang ang social lang ganito. Kala, umabot din ako sa gate ko. Diyos ko po. Kala ko dito kami magtatagpo. Dulong-dulo siya, day. Kakaloka. Para nyo ako pinaglakad sa monumento. Stress nyo ako. Charis. Naiyak ako. Hoy, again, ano ba ang chika ko? Alam mo yung ano, yung kayo, ano ba? Ano ba? Alam nyo, if you have the means to travel, huwag nyo nang i-delay kasi there's so much things to see in this world. Ang liit-liit lang natin na tao, tapos ang laki-laki ng mundo. Parang kulang yung lifetime. Parang lifetime is not enough to explore the world. There's just so much things to see. There's just too much people to meet. There's just too much experience awaiting. There's just too much memories to be made. And there's too much tears to cry. Alam mo, may saltik din kasi ako eh. Ako rin yung may problema. I don't allow anyone to love me. Kasi hindi nga ako ready. I'm not yet ready to hindi ako ready masaktan ulit. Hindi ako ready mag-risk ulit. Kaya kahit feeling ko minsan, sobrang babait na ng mga lalaki around me, ayaw ko pa din. Ganda ka lang, ganda ko. Alam mo, basta, ayun, nabalik tayo sa vlog. Nag-emote-emote na ako dito. Ang daming ang daming sobrang possibility when you started traveling. Sobrang dami ng mababait na tao na mamimit mo. Kaya hindi ako naniniwala na na yung mga na yan. There's too much love in this world, more than hate. That sometimes you're not just in the right place. Pagod ako sa India, ma. Grabe yung journey ko sa India, nakakapagod mo. We started sa West Bengal, Kolkata. I stayed there 7 days. Di ba kasi I got sick kasi there's too much dust and the pollution. And then I moved to Varanasi. And then nanonood tayo ng mga, alam mo, mga ceremony, mga dead bodies. That was in Varanasi. And then na tayo, Agra, Taj Mahal. Then we moved to Jaipur. Tapos Amritsar. Diyan naman basta yun nasa TikTok ko, alam mo na yun. Yung nagmotor-motor kami kay Emperor. Tapos, yung ending dito sa New Delhi, yung naghatid sa airport. Kanda mo, Toretto. Hinamok, gago. Ito yun. Sana na-enjoy niyo yung India vlog ko. Sana nyo siya, na-appreciate nyo siya. Huwag kayo magsawa again, manood ng mga vlog ko. I-support nyo ako. Teamwork. Hashtag teamwork. Baka naman i-share na yung channel. Kaya natin mag 100,000. Oy, alam nyo ba? Hindi kasi ako nag-expect na kaya ko mag-reach ng 100,000 sa YouTube. Kasi feeling ko, hindi naman ako yung parang pang 100,000. Ko yun minsan na parang, si Toretto ba, pang 100,000 followers sa YouTube, 100 subscriber, kaya ko kaya yun. Tapos naisip ko hindi, kaya super thankful na ako kung ano yung meron ako ngayon. Sapat na yan, happy na ako dyan. Oo, 10,000, hindi na masama yan. Dati nga, 75 lang yan, tapos 3 lang maglalan. Dito ko na-i-end yung India vlog ko. Pahinga lang ako, tapos travel tayo ulit. Yun lang. Kaya Toretto, everybody, again, wherever you are, whatever you're doing, whoever you're with right now, I hope na masaya kayo. And if you're not having a good day today, tomorrow is another day. Again, this is Kate Reto. Travel lang. Bye-bye. From India. Bye-bye na.